As a world-leading manufacturer of high-end equipment, Zoomlion, founded in 1992, is the first construction machinery company which is listed on both A-share stock market in mainland China and H-share stock market in Hong Kong. Adhering to the creative spirit of our predecessor as a national research institute, we have consistently pushed for revolutionary development over the past 2 decades and amazed the world with our active role in the global economy. Innovation is the key to a dynamic organization. By advocating craftsmanship in equipment manufacturing, we have created a series of remarkable world-leading products, including the world's longest truck-mounted concrete boom pump, the world's largest tonnage crawler crane, the world's largest horizontal arm upper slewing jack-up tower crane, the paver with the world's largest paving width, and the world's tallest aerial platform firefighting vehicle. These remarkable products mark the incredible journey of Zoomlion, starting from scratch and climbing to the top. Smart manufacturing for a bright future. With module platforms, smart manufacturing, and big data services, we are pleased to introduce the 4.0 series products with sense, brains, and thinking ability. We've also established Z-Valley and unveiled the Z-Valley OS, a new industrial internet platform. By launching the Win-Win Customer Alliance Scheme, the 100 billion yuan Smart Industrial City project, and a new industrial ecosystem, we have accelerated our transformation to progress from an equipment manufacturer to a provider of manufacturing services. We are implementing our strategic policy of products online, data in cloud, and market in hand step by step. Concerted efforts for excellence. In construction machinery, we are dedicated to developing advantageous clusters and promote green manufacturing to create a wonderful new life. We will tap the market potential for aerial work platforms and upgrade earth-moving equipment to highlight the cluster benefits of advantageous segments. We are committed to promoting intelligent agriculture with the integration of equipment, internet, and agronomy, fulfilling the dreams of thousands of farmers. At the same time, we will develop financial services to drive efficient and professional operation of substantial industry and unleash the power of capital. All segments will come together and unleash our potential to grow into an international high-end equipment maker. Since 2001, we have followed the principles of inclusiveness, rules, responsibility, co-creation, and sharing to merge and acquire leading enterprises in the industry, including UK's Powermole, Italy's CIFA, Germany's M-TEC and Wilbert, and the Netherlands' Rakstar. With manufacturing bases, marketing, and service platforms in over 80 countries worldwide, we have exported our products to nearly 100 countries across Europe, Asia, North America, South America, and Africa, as well as emerging markets, creating a global development pattern characterized by 2 transverse and 2 longitudinal belts. As China is implementing the Belt and Road Initiative, we are keeping up with the global trend by prioritizing markets in Belarus, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, Southeast Asia, and Middle East. Guided by the strategy of channel management, spare parts, and localization, we have established 9 manufacturing bases, 20 trading platforms, and 10 spare parts warehouses along the Belt and Road, in an effort to occupy the strategic forefront of China's going global movement in manufacturing. Committed to our mission, Zoomlion seeks to reach the peak of the global value chain with excellent products and services. We'll work hard to integrate industry resources, change the competitive landscape, and lead with innovative development. creating a sustainable future for the world.